Unlock the secret to style landing pages that convert. Discover how to create a catchy designs with Canva in just a few simple steps. No design skills needed, ready to boost your business. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this video where I will show you how you can create a landing page with Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, what I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and landing pages. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop features, a fast library of templates, and design elements, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers. So to get started, all I have to do is click over sign up. Then you have to link your personal information like your email address and your password. Then we have also other things like design spotlight, documents, photo and videos, print and marketing also. Then we have here business such as Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, contact sales. Then you have also education like teachers and schools, students, teaching resources, LMS integrations, case studies, and higher education. Then we have your plans and pricing like the free one, and we have the pro one. We have teams also, enterprise. Then we have your learn, Canva blog, design school, events, help center also. So if you scroll down, you'll find here other information like the Canva represents fund, we have contact and that represents everyone. Then we have are you the next Canva represent artist, and also we have here our long-term commitment to diversity. So if you want to sign up, you will find this page. So this is canva.com. So to get started, you will have just to search about whatever you want. So I will show you how you can do and create a landing page. So to create a landing page on Canva, you have just to start by selecting a landing page template from the options available. Customize it using the drag and drop editor to modify text, images, and colors, add elements like buttons and forms for visitor interaction, and ensure you include a compelling call to action. Once you are happy with the design, download it or publish it directly to your website. In Canva, crafting an attractive landing page is quickly and easy. So I will click over here and search about landing page. Then I'll find those examples. We have here 20,000 templates. You can select the one you want. For example, we have here this one, but it's pro. So I want the free one. I will click over all filters and we select the category that we want. For example, business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards and invitations also. We have here style, theme, language, feature, grade. We have subject, topic, and here we have the price. I will select the free one, then I will click over apply. Once you do that, you will find other one which is only the free examples landing pages. So we have here 10,000 templates. I will select, for example, one of this. I will select this one, then I will click for customize this template. Once you do that, you will find other page which is this one. So here we have it. We have firstly here the landing page that I choose. Then we have here a various settings like here you can add a page. You can also zoom, as you can see. Then we have here also scroll view like that. Then we have grid view, as you can see. Then we have ask Canva if you want. Then we have here design, like templates here. You choose another template, you can add it. And then you can choose, for example, website, portfolio, blog, flow, and whatever you want. Then you have your layouts, you can match style to print, and also we have styles here. So this is it for design. Then we have elements here, for example, frame, arrow, button, line, and we have here circle, square, phone. We have other options like AI image generator, stickers, photos, videos, charts, tables, frames, grids, and other things. Then we have here text if you want to add a text box, magic write, add your brand fonts, and also default text styles like add a heading. Then we have add subheading. Then we have a little bit of body text. Then we have here font combinations like here we have this one, this one, this one. So you have also the pro one. You can choose the one you want, for example, like that. So as you can see, then we have your brand like logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphic, icons also. Then we have your uploads. You can upload image or video that you want, and we have your images, videos, and also we have audio. You can select also record yourself if you want. Then we have a record draw, sorry. So you select the color that you want, for example this one or this one, and then you click over here and you write whatever you want. For example, I will write Canva. So I will come back here. So this is it. So if you want to delete it, you click over here and you delete. As you can see, we have here also other options like we have magic write, multiple fonts, the size also. I will select the size that I want, for example like that. Then we have text color, and also we have bold, and other things like here we have file, create new design, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move a folder, make a copy, download, version history, move to trash, find or replace text, open in desktop also. Then you have your size, translate, then you have your editing, commenting, you have here viewing. You have if you wanna come back like that, as you can see, we'll come back the first photos that I choose. Then you have here if you wanna choose, if you wanna pay, and it's for 13 days, it's for free. Then we have if you wanna add accounts inside here. Then we have here current page, have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. Then we have your preview, publish website, and then you have to click over share and you share it. So this is how it looks with Canva. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. And don't forget like and comment and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.